Clemson, I hope you not argue with me on this. You need to involve the Igwe to make peace with the youth. I make this recommendation in good faith because I hear different versions of the story, and from all indication, you are not safe. You are not safe if you act calm like nothing is happening. You are not safe.
Well, Uncle, I've heard what you said. I would act accordingly. Thank you very much for your concern.
Good. That's good. If you need any advice along the line, don't hesitate to call me. I'm your uncle. I will always be there for you. Call me anytime.
I will not forget that. Thank you very much for your concern again.
It's alright, Clemson. I should be on my way now.
Uncle, let me get you something now, since you refuse to take anything because of the urgency of the message. Let me package something for you to go home with, but also as an Iche of Aki.
Iche?
Yes.
Well, I won't stop you.
Oh, okay, very well. Just give me some time to package something, huh?
It's alright.
Alright.
Clemson. Mama. Oh.
Yeah.
I
know this is your brand.
Is this not too much?
No, it's not, Uncle.
Clemson.
Sir.
Amen. Yeah, don't hesitate to call me if you have issues that I can solve.
I will not forget that.
I have to rush.
Okay, Uncle.
When's email, eh?
Okay, Uncle.
Okay. I know you are wondering why I am smiling.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I've actually called you here today so we can have a word. Like a father and a son. Not as Igwe or as the youth leader.
Okay, Your Majesty.
How are you trying to settle the disagreement with the youth?
Your Majesty, they are still very mad at me. I have resolved to apologize to them, but I want everywhere to calm down first.
Next time, do not allow your fate to becloud your sense of reasoning. People and kingdoms have their own different customs and traditions. Some of them do not affect our fate. Some are actually blessings to us. And they guide us. They are gifts from our ancestors. They lead us right.
I have been exposed to all of those, Your Majesty. I just want to correct all I have ruined. I will call for a meeting. I'm sure we'll find a way forward from there.
It's all right. Do not waste any time, as you have said. Take the bull by the horn and do what is needful.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Thank you very much. Igwe.
Come on. Stop making things more difficult than they are right now. Please.
What do you mean by that?
I said I'm sorry. Okay? All this negative meaning you people are reading into this never crossed my mind. I did what I did because of my conviction at the moment. I didn't know to escalate to this. Okay? You've been my friend for years now. I want us to work together to make the best out of the situation. Please.
My son, my son, Abatu, I heard the voice of your friend pleading with you. Please, Doc says, if I fall down for you, you fall down for me. It's a play. Again, to err is human, to forgive is divine. So you and the Clemson have been friends for a very long time. And you will not come now and tear apart. Please, I play with you. You have to forgive him. He's your friend. So that the both of you will work together towards the development of this kingdom. Please, my friend.
Thank you very much, Ichi.
Welcome. Mba, I've heard you. I thought you've gone out. My son, I have been on a long distance call, but I am leaving now. I will see you later.
Thank you very much, Ichi.
It's okay.
Look, I'm sure he stayed back to you. I'm sure he stayed back to make a case for me. Obatu, even if every other person misunderstands me, you're not supposed to misunderstand me. You're my friend. You've been my friend for years now.
Look, it's okay, bro. I understand it's a mistake on your own part, and anyone can make a mistake.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you.
So I'll put on our platform. We'll be having an emergency meeting this evening.
That will be awesome.
And you remain our leader.
You're not serious. The same person you people try to impeach.
No, but for real, you're still our leader. I mean, nothing can change that.
Oh my guy, thank you very much. Already. I have to run now. Huh? Maybe we'll see later in the evening. Then take care.
All right, here.
I'm really sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. The thing is that when this thing came up, I was confused because I didn't understand the connection between the wealth of the people and a deity that was destroyed many years ago, long before we were born. The thing is that I know better now, and I have pleaded with the Igwe and the elders in council to do everything in my powers to restore prosperity in this kingdom. And I need your support and a team spirit to achieve this very goal.
Well, Clemson, I don't have a problem with you. All I've always wanted was for Aki to start functioning well. And I'm glad you're in agreement with us now. At this point, nothing can stop us again.
Yes. And I think the best thing we should do now is to proceed to Enuagu and give the man the information. He's our own, and it is our duty to make him know that.
No, we cannot do that without involving the king. Eh? He is the head of this kingdom, and such action must pass through him.
Sometimes when you talk, I wonder what you eat.
Yeah? Are you insulting me now?
It's not an insult, though. It's just an observation.
Okay.
See, let me tell you. We all know that the king is the head of this kingdom. And you think he will be happy to bring back a man that will challenge him tomorrow?
Mikina, I think at this point I disagree with you. I think you're wrong here.
How am I wrong? From what I gathered, that man won a federal government contract to generate and distribute electricity in the whole South. Chairman, that contract worth over 330 billion naira. As I'm talking to you now, I know that the king is already afraid. And he will never ever want to bring back a man like that. I know.
And don't forget that this same man was recently given a chieftaincy title by the Igwe. And so he knelt down to receive this title. Automatically he submitted to the royal authority. And I don't think the same man will challenge this authority. It's not possible.
There are many reasons why I like you. And one of them is that you know how to say the right thing at the right time.
Yet when he was asked to say things that will better our lives, he kept mute.
Ebuka, this bottled animosity will not get us anywhere. I have apologized to everyone. Don't mind you. We need to move forward, please.
I am glad that you have all reconciled your differences. I like the smiles on your faces. My youth is back.
Clemson,
I want you to go with some of your youth and see Chief Oki. Explain everything to him. Make him understand, and if possible, bring him to the palace.
It will be done, Your Majesty. We're just waiting for your approval before doing anything.
Of course you have my approval. If such a vibrant man is from this kingdom, and we have further confirmed that he is actually from Aki, the least we could do is to make sure that we get him reconnected to his root.
Your Majesty, please, I have a question. What if this man comes back to Aki and later decides to buy the throne?
Nah, Ikenna, shut up. What kind of question is this?
Can you just imagine? Opiona Amagi, don't you fear the throne? To utter this rubbish before our king?
Chinedu, the Bonikitu. The king was about to answer my question before you interrupted.
Nobody's interrupting with you. You're just talking nonsense. Shut up.
Ikenna, order before the king, you to Aki.
Well, I can tell you this for free. There is actually no cause for alarm. What is important right now is to see how he is reconnected back to his root. And when that is done, peradventure, he decides to eye the throne. The gods have a way of protecting their own. They will definitely protect the throne.
Well, gentlemen, I have heard all you said. And in all honesty, I have heard that before.
Really? How?
Well, Ezenwani Ogugu, the goddess of Aki, had once appeared to me here, said exactly all these things you are saying now, but I never believed that. I dismissed that as something that wasn't making sense to me. Until a young woman of Aki came here and repeated the same thing.
Chief, are you saying that Ezenwani in Her Majesty appeared to you and you sat back?
Hey, listen, young man, I am not one of those men that you can just move. Everything should follow a particular protocol. I felt that the people of Aki are the ones who need me. Therefore, they should be the ones that are coming for me, not the other way around.
Well, I completely agree with you, sir. But now that we have come, are you going to cast us out?
Why should I do a thing like that, young man? I can't do that. But we all need to understand the reason I did what I did. I was actually overwhelmed. Overwhelmed with a whole lot of things. In fact, too many things were coming up in my head. How will it be reported? That a man like Polikapo Keke, the Eseluenwego of Enuago, how would it be reported that he doesn't know his root? That he doesn't know where he came from? How can that be said? I was not moved in my spirit to go to Aki to meet your king Ezodumod because I felt it again that Ezodumod may end up rejecting me.
Why would Ezenwani reject a man like you? Nobody will try that thing in Aki, yo.
Let us not go into all that. At least it is better this way. At least I have received a delegation from Aki who are asking me to come back. Therefore, if I should decide to go now, I will not be rejected.
Yes.
Well, Chief, the truth is, Ezodumodo, who's just getting to know about this, is actually very excited. And he's asked us to come, ask you, beg you to come to the palace, or possibly come right away with us now.
Yes, Chief. They are going to perform all the rituals that will make you a man of Aki. Trust us, all the expenses will be on us.
Oh yeah, come on, young man, you don't have to say that. The expenses is not going to be a problem. I can always take care of that. Why will you even see that as a problem? Listen, I will come back to Aki, but it is not going to happen today.
Chief, how soon?
Very soon. I'll give you my word. In fact, I am going to be back. But I have a problem. I am just feeling that young men are not the people that should be making this kind of, this kind of trip alone. They are supposed to be an elder with you.
Well, Chief, we're just here as instructed to invite you to the palace, and also let you know what is going on. And also, we felt as this is upon the youth. Your arrival has a lot to do with the wealth of the youth.
I understand what you're saying, but I need you to equally understand me when I say that. Even at that, an elder is supposed to be a part of this delegation.
Well, it's not a problem, Chief. We can as well go back and come back with
That will not be a problem at all. I just decided to make my point. Okay? Well, you all can relax. If you need more drink, it can be but no need. I don't think you even need to drink more, because the cook has just informed me that he's preparing lunch for us. And then I've just been told that he killed a goat to get the lunch ready. So you don't need to drink so much. You don't need to drink so much. So you don't need to drink so much. Let us relax and wait for the lunch to get ready. All of us will eat together.
Dining with a whole Chief Polycarp Okeke, the Eselunego of Enuagu. Hey! The Eselu Enuego of Aki Kingdom. And Chief, please, I want you to do something for me. Yeah? I want, whenever you want to call the people of Aki, stop saying the people of Aki Kingdom. Say, my people of Aki.
Well, it is so obvious that you guys are very funny. Okay? I don't want to deal with that. Just relax, make yourselves comfortable. I will come back soon.
Chief!
Now, this is a man so blessed and wealthy, yet very humble.
Our people have a lot to learn from him. I'm telling you.
So at the end of the day, I won't go there. That's how it happens. But no problem. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, take care, bro. Take care.
You're welcome once again, true son of the soil.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. My story is indeed a very historic one.
Of course it is. To think that we gave you a title in this palace, not knowing that we were actually decorating a son of the soil, speaks volume. Now I understand better the meaning of the administration that came before we ever decided to give you a title.
Well, Your Majesty, I am indeed very, very excited. Because it is now that everything is beginning to make sense to me. So many kings have approached me in the past, all of them wanting to give me one chieftaincy or the other. I declined all because I wanted to remain a private person who is into the business of power generation and power distribution. That's what I do. But when the king, His Majesty Ezodomodo of Aki, came to my place with this idea that Aki people have decided to give me chieftaincy, I was not able to resist. Because something in me was propelling me to say yes, and that's why I said yes. Little did I know that I was being called home.
Yes, and that is the word for you. That is the word called home. But here's the one you. You see, we are so happy in our midst. Welcome you, most. And the longer we stay with you, the happier we are. Even you, the longer you stay with us, the more progressive you are. If you give your best, the less in you will be brought to the level of the best. That's what they used to say. In fact, I am boldly made to say that the success you will experience now that you have known your root will make nonsense of the whole success you made when you were not connected to the root.
He said, I am indeed very excited. It is always nice to find out that your people love you and appreciate you. And based on what has happened, now that I know my route, I am going to do everything within my power to ensure that Aki is made to become very prosperous, very, very prosperous in the scheme of things in this country.
Now, apart from the title that we have given to you already, I am saying it here and now that we are going to take a date to celebrate your comeback home. Oh, yes.
And let me quickly say that the whole expenses for that party is on me. Wow. Clemson, I understand you are the youth leader, right?
Chief, yes, I am.
Your Majesty, I want to work with your permission, please. I want you to permit Clemson to work with me closely. I need him to provide me with every information I need on how we can move the youth of Aki forward.
You have my permission already. He is very trusted. He has made a lot of sacrifices for this kingdom. I can assure you that he is eminently qualified to have that discussion with you. Yes.
Thank you so much, Igwe, for your kind words. I'm humbled.
I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Well, Clemson, I actually went strolling in Aki, and they showed me your house. Yes, I saw your house.
Chief, that house is actually my family house. I inherited it from my father, and I still live there. That's where I stay and pray, hoping for a better tomorrow.
Listen, Clemson, you don't need to tell me anything about yourself. I know you inside and out. Let me shock you. I have a detailed information about you, and I am impressed.
Thank you very much, Chief.
I don't like it when people I should be thanking are the ones that are thanking me. It doesn't make any sense to me. I received a lot of calls from the youth of Aki thanking me for the money I gave you to share to them. That simply means you actually share the money to the youth. It shows you are a man of integrity, because there are people that you will give that task, give the money to share to people, and they will keep the money. But I gave you money to share to the youth, and you went out of your way and did exactly what you were asked to do. Men like you will always get the best from me.
Thank you very much, Chief. I don't know how to thank you. You said you don't like people thanking you, but I don't know how to go about that.
Well, I don't want to go into that. I brought you here because I want us to plan. The king of Aki, Ezodumodu, he has promised to give me 10 acres of land across Aki Express. So I want to establish a company on that land, an agro-allied company that can employ up to 500 youths of Aki.
Wow. Wow, Chief, that is great. I mean, taking 500 people out of the labor market will go a long way to solving the problem of unemployment in our kingdom. Thank you very much.
Don't keep thanking me. Apart from the employment that the agro-allied company will be providing, there will equally be provision for those of them who wouldn't want to be employees. I mean, those who want to be in business. Money will be provided as startup capitals for them, and we are going to monitor their progress in business to be sure that they are doing well. I want everything to happen through you so that we don't have any hitch along the line.
Chief, I'm so excited. I see greatness coming to Aki. Yes, finally. I'm so excited. Thank you very much.
You are a good man indeed.
Thank you very much.
But I equally gathered that that young woman, Viola, who took it upon herself to bring the information to me, I gathered that she is your woman, and that both of you are having a problem because of this. How true is that?
Chief, I don't know why they will tell you that. I don't know why.
No, they told me because I have become a cardinal man of Aki who should be involved in solving problems. That's what they told me. Listen, I want you to resolve whatever problem that is between both of you. I want it resolved. Because that woman, your woman, she is going to be a part of everything that we are planning. Do you have a problem with that?
No, Chief. Thank you very much. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't know. I can't wait to go home with this news.
No. You are doing well already, and more good things will actually come to Aki through you. You can count on that.
Thank you very much.
Count on me.
Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you very much.
All fake promises. Now I am beginning to understand why they destroyed the altar. She brought me out and abandoned me. Good morning.
Good morning, my love. Well, I brought you those beautiful rose flowers to rekindle the love we shared. You see, I have apologized to everyone else, and they have forgiven me. Yours is the most important, and that is why I have kept the best for the last. You see, I could find words but now that will not be important now. Because I'm here to tell you from the depth of my heart, I am very sorry.
We just want to say thank you.
Yes, it takes a woman with a good heart to do what you did for us.
And even when you are only the daughter to the daughter of the soil, you elected to lose your love and save our mother's land. Thank you.
What you did has registered deep in our hearts. We want to build a new Aki, and we say that you must not be left behind, of course.
I don't even know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. We want you to know that we are grateful, and we will always be grateful. Yes?
The truth is, I am happy that my man doesn't see me as fetish anymore. And I'm also grateful that all our efforts has yielded results.
I said it! Actually, thanks be to the gods that you have said yes. If not, I would have practically showed you how to propose to a good lady with a good heart. And once I propose, she will say yes to me right here and now. Look at you. You see, I'm about to say again, a good again. For your information, you see all those drinks that you stopped giving me when I started telling you to do the right thing. I have been calculating them. Go and gather all of them and bring them to me. I am ready to drink them and to finish them right here and now. Once again, congratulations.
past few months were hell. Hell without you.
Same here, my love. My business was badly affected. I couldn't think straight. And I was losing money. And I know all that wouldn't have happened if you were around.
Well, I'm back now. And we are happy. So everything will be fine.
Yes, darling. I can never think of loving or spending the rest of my life with anyone else apart from you.
Neither can I.
We're back. We're back together. And the best part of it is that I have your 5 million naira in my account. Why are you laughing?
What you said now, you're joking. 5 million.
I'm serious about it.
The highest money I've ever owned in my life is 200,000. And I didn't give you any money to keep for me. Not to talk of 5 million. Please.
Well, he gave it to me to give to you. And he has promised to do more.
Who?
Chief Oki. Yes. You see, he's happy you took it upon yourself to come and warn him. And so he gave me 5 million naira to give to you and has promised to do more.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Don't you think that I was just regretting answering Ezinwa and Yogugu's call before you came?
You don't need to regret anything, my love. Okay? You did the right thing. As a matter of fact, he's planned to establish a company here, Agro-Allied Company, yes? And over 500 people from here will be employed.
Are you serious?
Yes.
5 million? For me?
For you.
Did you count the zeros?
Of course, it's 5 million. It's in my account.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You
Zero,
counted
zero.
it?
Oh, yes.
Are you sure? 5 million.
My love. Yes, 5 million.
I will build a mansion.
Come on now. You can't build a mansion with 5 million.
Ada, I don't even know what you are doing here. I mean, who is this all-important person that will even keep me standing? Well, I don't remember telling you she's all-important. Is she? Wait, you mean it's a woman? Who is she, please?
See, she called me and she pleaded. She was even the one that fixed this appointment. See, Nina, I lured you out here because I want us to give her the benefit of the doubt.
Okay? Who is this person?
She's coming.
Is she the one?
I'm sorry. I can understand. I'm sorry. Honestly, if you give me a chance to explain, I will explain to you why I did what I did.
See, you don't have anything to explain. You don't have to keep us in the dark. We are your friends, and you have remained friends for as long as... I can't even remember. So you allowing us to hear it from outsiders. Come on, Viola. It was so insulting to us.
I know, and I don't have any excuse. I just wasn't thinking straight.
Nina, please, let's just forget about this whole thing. Forgive her. It wasn't entirely her fault, you know.
Well, I don't have a choice. I've forgiven her already.
Thank you. Let me shock you girls. An agro-allied company is going to be set up in a key, and we all will be employed.
You guys want to wait in here?
Yes.
Girl.
Hey, the reception. And you be cleaning the floor.
No.
How do I convince the women? Once the king says something, it stands.
Mama.
Oh,
Come, Mama.
look at them.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. Wait. I can see that the same peace the women experienced today in the meeting applies to all of you here today. May this peace be permanent.
Amen.
Well, you girls, enjoy yourselves. I want to go in and rest.
I'll prepare something before you wake up.
Because you're going to win. Don't prepare today. I'm going to long meeting.
Okay, Mama.
This your grandmother, she's just a groove. If all grandmothers are like her, I'm sure there will never be any problem at all.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, but my grandma is just a great woman.
Okay, so can you tell us now, when is Clemson coming to do what he has to do? Yes.
Okay.
My love, thank you so much for coming so quick.
No problem.
You have to stay here. I think for the whole day.
For the whole day? I can't. Who will look after Mama?
Okay then, maybe you just lock up whenever you're done here.
Okay, but where are you going?
I'm going to the palace. I have an appointment with Igwe, and I think we'll go somewhere else from there. I really appreciate if you stayed here until I come back. I have something to discuss with you. Yes.
Something like what?
Chief Polycarp talks about skills acquisition and military empowerment for women. So I think you're going to be handling that.
Are you serious?
Yes, darling.
That's great news.
Listen,
Okay.
I have to run now. I have a lot to attend to now.
All right, just take care.
Yeah.
Okay?
Take care of everywhere.
Okay.
All right, darling.
Bye.
Bye, darling.
Okay.
I am impressed by this man's commitment towards the progress of Aki. He has started construction on the land that I showed him. So fast.
That is the power of money, Your Majesty. It seems he mastered the secret of wealth. The way he doles out money is really encouraging.
Yes. I am particularly happy that all these things are happening in my reign. And with the good examples he has shown, I am believing that all those that will make it through him will also help others in this kingdom. And when these happen, I think prosperity is going to grow in Aki kingdom.
You're right, Your Majesty. Very right.
I want you to follow him and do the needful. I always trust and count on you.
You have nothing to worry about. I'll make sure everything is perfectly carried out well.
Thank you, my son.
Ada, a lot of good things are really happening in this community. I'm still surprised with the speed development.
And all those good things are happening just because of one person.
Wait, so that brings me to the question. All our people who never believed in Ogugweze wine. I mean, all the people who believe they have destroyed that deity when they set that altar on fire, where are they going to hide?
Oh dear, I don't even know what to say to those people. If not for the revelation, Aki Kingdom would have lost such an important personality to Enuagu. Can you imagine that?
That would be a very great lesson to all those men who will leave their wives to go and sleep with strange women. If that man had remained faithful to his wife, trust me, he wouldn't have gotten that woman in Enuagu pregnant.
Forget that one. Men will always be men. It is established that they have no control over that flesh dangling between their legs. As we speak now, some Aki men are still doing the same.
Well, Ada, please get the papers. We need to start the proposal before Viola comes.
About that, Nina, I still feel we owe Viola more apologies.
Ada, we have apologized and you have reconciled with her.
You are right. But when you look at it critically, you will see that Viola fought like a warrior. She risked her relationship. She sacrificed our friendship just to get this right. We still owe her more apologies. And if possible, gather all the young women to get her blessing.
Chelukwa, young women should gather for her blessing. In Apwala. In Apwala. What's that supposed to mean, Kwan?
Of all of us. Of all of us.
Hey.
She was the one the goddess chose for this task. That goes to say, she's indeed a very special girl. Listen, when you are called respect to people who ought to be respected, you stand the chance of commanding respect from others.
Oh God, I perfectly understand what you mean. But you are going to do that now, eh? But now, get the papers, we need to start. Ozubo, we need to do that.
I have heard you. I just hope you have perfectly understood it the way you said. I know you.
You are stressing me.
I am particularly curious as to why I am summoned before the king.
It's you, Keke. You are the chief priest of Ogugu. And you know that I hold you in high esteem. It is true that our men before us, in their ignorance, destroyed the altar of Ogugu. But we are here. We are wiser. We cannot allow, or we cannot afford to suffer because of what they have done that long time ago. We need to restore the altar.
With all due respect, my king, I am surprised. I am surprised because you are now sounding so differently. Anyway, since I am before you right now, why don't you just confide in me? Tell me exactly what happened.
The goddess herself paid me a visit.
The same goddess the ignorant pastors claim that they destroyed. How could she have paid their visit?
I am not joking, Chief Priest. She was here. She appeared right before me in her magnificence. And she told me that the success we are experiencing right now as a result of the return of Chief Oki, Polycarp, is just a dress rehearsals compared to what is coming. There is something she wants us to do, and that is why I have invited you.
I know what is the one Yogu told you. She wants her altar to be restored.
Exactly. What will it cost? It was destroyed out of ignorance, but I want us to set it up again. How much will it cost me?
Nothing. All I need is your approval as the king. The altar will be set up tomorrow. I already have your approval. So you're invited.
Thank you very much.
Clemson, do you have international passport?
Yes, I do, sir.
Good. I am glad that you have someone who can sit back and take care of your business. Because I will be traveling with you to the United States.
What?
I am certain you heard me. Listen, Clemson, I have seen you work. I have seen how dedicated you are to the discharge of your duties. You are a leader indeed. And since you started doing things for me, you never made any requests from me. So I have decided to reward you in my own little way. And that is to take you to the States and teach you my line of business.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, don't do this.
Thank you so much.
Don't do this, please. Just rise. Rise.
I have been doing everything to better the lives of my people.
And your own life. And your own life deserves to be better as well. I am impressed that you have an international passport. So I need you to go and get me that passport. I want to lift the information I need to start the process of your visa, everything will be fine. Trust me.
I will do just that, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir.
Stop thanking me.
But Chief, what about the house you said I'll help you build at Aki?
Oh, I have already changed my mind about that. Don't misunderstand me. Some other person is building it. Clemson, you shouldn't be the one building for people. I figured it out. People should be building for you. And that is why I want to teach you business, so that there's a place I want you to be. I want you to be among the high and the mighty. And that is the whole essence of this. Listen, drink up, go and get me your passport. Let me start the process of your visa. The time is of the essence.
Thank you very much. I don't know how to thank you.
I say you should not thank me at all. Just drink up.
God bless you. God bless you so much, sir.
I don't need all these things. I am a man who believes so much in action. I don't like all these praise the Lord.
Thank you.
I don't need all this. Just get me your passport. You can get to work.
Right away, sir. I'll go and get it.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good boy.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, baby, stop now. Okay? Stop. Just let me know what's going on. You're just keeping me under suspense.
Just guess what?
I'm not good at guessing. Tell me.
You not believe this.
What?
You not believe this if I told you.
What?
Wow. Chief has offered to take me abroad with him.
Are you serious?
Yes. He wants to introduce me to his line of business.
That man is such a good man. He wants everybody to succeed.
Oh yes.
Oh.
He's a gift to us, darling.
Oh, thank God.
You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, I'm taking my international passport here.
That's good. So when are you traveling?
I don't know, but I think it's soon. Calm down, darling. Calm down. Well, it all depends on Chief, but I'm sure it's something that wouldn't take much time.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much. Huh? Don't worry. As soon as I get back, we'll be planning our wedding. It will be a marriage based on true love that has been tested and trusted. We've seen happy couples in the past, but none will be happier than us. I promise. I love you.
I love you too. And don't worry, I'm not rushing you into marriage. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready. Mama! Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Guess what?
What?
Clemson is traveling.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma.
So where is he going to?
To the United States.
Are you going with him?
No, he's traveling for business with Chief.
You see what I told you? No, you see what I told you? I told you to forget Clemson and focus on Samson. Now he wants to leave you and travel. Oh, Nano.
What has this got to do with Samson?
It has everything to do with him. It is obvious that this Clemson doesn't really like you. Eh? Once he goes out there, he will leave you behind. Nem, can't you see the handwriting on the wall?
Mama, there's no handwriting on any wall. You're only trying to ruin my mood today, and I will not let you.
I'm not trying to ruin your mood. This Clemson does not like you. He's not thinking of you. If he travels now, he goes out there, settles down, and he leaves you behind. Nakwa Samson Kijidi. By the way, I want you to go in. Ponder on what I've told you. Ponder very well, because the die is cast.
I don't know when you became this difficult and this impossible. Mama, Clemson is only traveling for business, that's all.
Okay, you got name business instead of you to take Samson. Samson, the available, handsome man, slim, inyeni, olieseta, inoleba nanko. Go now, ponder.
There is a way I'm seeing this. Clemson is not going to come back. How can you even say that? He is traveling for business and he's traveling with Chief. And where is the guarantee that he will come back? He can't go there and forgive Viola. After all, he has got Chief to settle her with
5 million naira.
Can you please stop twisting this? The money was not to settle her. It was money given by Chief to show his appreciation for what she did.
And Clemson has seen that as a compensation to her. Clemson will not come back to this country, Ada. When he comes, bet me on this, Ada, Viola will not be allowed to be seen around him.
Nena,
we will see now.
If you can please stop making Viola the topic for our discussions, it will be very well appreciated.
Okay.
That Grandma was right. That Clemson traveled, changed, and forgot about me.
The ever elegant one. The one that means the world to me. The only one that can make me happy forever. My tonton Mickey of the Shokoromus Abaradum. Anyang Otutu. My epitome of beauty. My paragon of Ifanalo. Good morning, my angel.
I'm surprised. Aren't you supposed to be in the UK?
What will I be doing in UK when you are here? I came back yesterday. And I came back for you. Please, say yes to me. We can see this marriage now. So I can prepare your papers to travel with me to UK.
As soon as I get back, we'll be planning our wedding. It will be a marriage based on true love that has been tested and trusted. We've seen happy couples in the past, but none will be happier than us. I promise. I love you.
I love you too. And don't worry, I'm not rushing you into marriage. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
Yes, I've been in touch with your grandma. I'm aware that Clemson has abandoned you. Now you are wounded and devastated, but I'm here for you. I'm here to make you happy. Just say yes to me. Please, we can start a new life. Please.
I'm sorry, Samson. I'm prepared to give him a chance.
I came all the way from the UK to see you. Yes, please. Stop wasting your time with someone that does not appreciate your effort. I can make you my wife, here and now. Please, just say yes. Please.
If waiting for the love of my life is being termed as wasting my time, I'm prepared to take the chance.
Chief Polycarp Okeke has moved into the mansion built for him in Aki. Are you aware of that?
I'm not aware of that, Mama. Chief isn't back to town.
Yes, he is back. I saw him. And what about your man? nowhere to be found. Eh? Yet you turned down the young man who came back all the way from the United Kingdom to ask for your hand in marriage. You turned him down.
Mama, you're making this thing difficult for me.
You are the one making things difficult for you. You have refused to listen. But you know what? It is your life. I am done advising. Your mother in the grave would bear me witness that I did the best I could for my grandchild. What's that? You want to start crying on me? Don't cry. Don't you dare cry on me. What's that? Oswe? Who am I seeing?
Mama, it's me. How are you?
It's Mama.
How are you?
You abandoned my daughter here to die in my hands. Eh?
Mama, don't worry. I'm back. I'm back for good now.
Yes.
I'm back for all of us.
All of us?
Yes, Mama.
Clemson? Aye.
Yes.
Oh, come on, Mama. I'll give you a
Oh, yes, yes. Mama.
Mama, this is your car. Oh, yes. This is yours. Clemson, you brought all these things for us?
Yes,
Mama, Clemson is back. Let's go inside.
Father Bubu is here. Oyo, my sweet, loving sugar pie. I can't believe this. Baby, you know, along the line I started feeling like you never really liked me.
Come on, Ebuka. How can you say that? I'd always liked you, and that explained why I was close to you.
Well, I recall everything that happened. You resisted me like I was nothing.
As a woman who loves you, as a woman who wants the best for you, and as a woman who wants you up there, I was madly resisting you just to push you up there.
Ada boo-boo. Well, I'm there now. And I'm happy, not just myself. Every other young man of Aki have experienced some kind of success, breakthrough here and there.
Not just the young men, even the ladies. We are all doing fine now.
Wow, that's wonderful. Adam, that brings me to this. Does that mean that finally you're going to say yes to me? Marry me? Be my wife?
You don't get to, do you? Ebuka, I love you. I don't know how to say. I love you. And yes, I'll marry you. Seriously, I cannot find another who can love me this way? I don't think I can. So yes, I'll marry you.
Ada Boo Boo, come here. I love you too. I love you. And I'll not stop loving you. Very much.
Let's go to this place.
Ada Boo Boo.
You know, the first time I came here to deliver the message to Chief, he spoke with so much pride. But now I am so glad to realize that he is one of the most humble men I ever met in my life.
Well, you know why we're here. To thank him for everything he has done for us. We should look forward, darling, and not back at what we've passed already.
You're right. But why are we visiting him here? My grandma told me he already got a house in Aki.
He will eventually retire back to Aki with his family when they come back in August. I think he's only here because he's used to this place. Huh?
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Chief.
I am so glad that both of you are catching up so fast. I am impressed. One more time, I want to wish you a happy married life.
Thank you.
You're truly the star of Aki. Thank you very much for all that you've done for us.
Thank you so much for answering the call. Thank you for all that you have done for the people of Aki and for restoring wealth and prosperity to the people.
Please. Yes. Please. We have all the time to talk about this. Now, I want to hang out with the newest couple in town. That's why we are here.
Of course.
Can we do just that?
Very well.
Please.
Very well, Chief. Very well.
The lady for the mighty, the beautiful daughter of Idumale Zioku. I don't even know how to praise you.
I don't understand you, Kina. Why are you praising me?
Yeah, why won't I praise you? Look at you. You're looking like the goddess herself. Ada, you know what? I'm so happy for this transformation.
Well, I'll say the same for you. I've seen the house you're building in your father's compound. It shows you're equally doing well for yourself. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We all are equally doing well. Going back to Ezenwayo Ogugu is the best thing that's happened to all of us.
I agree.
And going to the main topic. Nina, I want to ask you a question. Is there anything that will make us not to spend the rest of our lives together?
Wait, I need to understand you, Ikena. Are you asking me to be your wife?
Nina, apart from the fact that we came from the same root, you are the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Okay, look at it. Viola got married to Clemson. Ada got married to Ebuka. Nina, please, I want you to be my wife so that I can count myself amongst the lucky ones. Please, just say yes.
Wait, this is so like me marry you.
I got your gift. Thank you so much. Oh, goodness. You don't have to thank me. Are you not the special one? The one who got my son's heart and he proposed to her that year. You're a core member of this family, you know.
I am sorry, Mrs. Duke, but I'm not. Yes, I used to have feelings for your son, but everything has ended already.
You see, Ugo, I came all the way from the UK just because of you. See, my son is passing through a lot. And I know that you are the one he needs that will make that turnaround in his life.
How? Your son asked me to move on, and I've moved on already. How is it possible for me to turn things around? In all honesty, I don't know what you want. I got your mom's message, that is why I'm here. I never knew you were in the country.
Yes, I came back a few days ago. And I've not been fine.
How will I get involved? How can I turn things around?
I may have hurt you with my words in the past. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
I've forgiven you. I've also forgiven your mom. That is why I accepted her gift in the first place.
All right. Are you going to marry me still? All right, let me tell my mom.
Don't be so fast. I never told you that I'll marry you.
But you said you have forgiven me. So why won't you marry me?
I'm married.
You are what?
I'm married. My husband brought me here, and he will soon come back to pick me. You see? I'm sorry, but you're late.
This is mystery.